Hey guys, we are the Wickmans. My husband quit his job and we sold all of our things so we could spend more time together, travel the world, and learn new cultures. Join us as we navigate our lives in many beautiful new places. Oh my goodness, I could cry. I have never found a marble. I see this on my sea glass page all the time and I'm like, why have I never found one?
We're back at the beach. Promise is beautiful. Thought the waves would come up today. Hoping maybe here in a little bit. But we're gonna look for sea glass while we look for, or while we wait for our breakfast.
That's what Mom wants.
That's cool.
Mom!
I got a big blue. You can't really tell, but it's blue.
Mom.
And green and a nice shell. And Araya got the coolest shell, but I just dropped it in the water. Good morning. Already found some really cool finds this morning on our little beach walk. Actually, she found one that was just like that, but it was different than I've ever seen before. It had brown little dots all the way around the bottom with white. It was gorgeous. I was literally...
That's it.
We got some banana pancakes, thank you. Some scrambled eggs. Watermelon, thank you.
More
Oh
over
my God.
there.
Yes, more over there. Does it look good?
Mm-hmm.
Does it look good, Bubba?
This breakfast sandwich is the real deal. So good. It's even got like a honey glaze on it or something. How is it?
Mom, what? There's
So good.
Mine
Okay.
was no good.
You better get him, sissy.
I'm going pool in the weather.
Hi, Cora. Wow, look at you. Little balance boy. Should we go to the slide?
Yeah, you guys should. Bubba, squirt him!
The scary mama.
Hey, you crazy kids! What are y'all doing? Why are you squirting me? This is really nice that they have for the kids to play with. Bye, cutie. What'd you make, girl?
She's planting a stick. Let's go help Daddy. What are you guys doing?
We're gonna dig a little swimming pool, a hot tub, a sand tub.
No, I call it a hot tub.
Okay, a hot tub.
What
We're
do
gonna
you-
make a hot tub.
Tell us, Araya.
You made a hot tub.
How do you do it?
This made it with a stick. It comes up really fast, so you need to build it really fast.
Nice.
The trench is for bringing water into your swimming pool. Right here, watch it. It's gonna funnel right on in. Woohoo! So then that's probably good right here. Let's start digging our pool right here, girl.
All right. Bubs and I are going to go look for some sea glass and we'll come back and check your progress here in a minute.
Okay.
Wow, look at this color. Found it right before the waves took it.
Wow, that's a beautiful blue. Heck yeah, babe.
It's a big rush when you're searching for the sea glass in the water. Like right when the water comes up, it's always like right when you see the best piece and you have to like rush to grab it before the wave comes and sweeps it away forever.
This is so cool. We have these back home. I didn't even know they had them here like this. They're darker than what we have, but yeah, Araya just found this sand flea. So cool.
Araya!
Good job, Araya.
Is he alive?
Yeah, he is. Let me see. Watch this.
There he goes.
There goes our pool. That's so funny. So when you're digging a beach pool, you don't want to be too close to the water because it'll just keep refilling itself. So you want to kind of have your trench just able to grab the water and put it into your pool. So it's kind of, you got to kind of play with it sometimes.
So there was the original pool spot, but that was a little too low, so they moved up a little bit.
Back it up again.
There's pool number 1. There's pool attempt number 2. And
pool number 3.
Water's never even gonna get to this one now. You guys have done so much. Good job.
See, when you find the right spot, you don't, it doesn't keep refilling on itself.
Ida's putting the sand in and Dad's taking the sand out.
Good.
About to fill up.
Get in there.
All the way to that bit.
To that side?
Mm-hmm.
You think you can come back too?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, Daddy.
Good job, Dad.
That makes you look so cool. Brother's giving us this love. That's so cute. Alright, our beautiful lunch just arrived. Daddy got a nice big burger, some fries, and ketchup. We got some edamame. Mommy got the chicken burgers. And the kids got a nice cheese pizza. You helping Daddy put his fins in his board?
He wants to come.
You want to surf with Daddy?
You want to go surf?
Dad's trying his new booties on. Daddy's gonna go surf for a little bit, okay? I know. Boy. He came back to give you a kiss.
It's so hot.
Good?
Good.
You like it? Sour?
Go on the next way, Dad.
Here he goes.
T-R-I-E.
Whoa, did you see that?
Yeah.
What'd he do? He jumped off his board. Was that cool?
Dad, do another jump.
Now this is perfect for sea glass hunting. You like throwing the rock? See right in front of you, there's like a little pool.
I can get my clothes wet.
Yeah, you can get your clothes wet. Looks like Dad might have got hurt. He's checking himself. Let's go check on Daddy, see what happened to him. He's walking across the reef right now, which he wouldn't normally be able to do, but he's able to do it because of his little reef booties, but it looks like he messed his hand up, possibly. Sorry, have to check that out first. Are we adding another injury to the list?
It's hard too.
Let me see.
Bro, I hit hard. It was shallow.
Real shallow?
Yeah.
Was it worth it?
No.
That's what I was thinking.
Hey.
Oh, wow, cool. Want to get back in the water? I can help you. It's softer on the reef. There you go. Does that feel better? You can sit in that pool. I really want to find like a really cool pink or blue little tiny pebble that I can make a new like travel wedding ring with. Oh my goodness, look how cool that piece is. That is seriously just about what I was talking about. Here's a little tiny pebble. Daddy's up there getting taken care of by the lifeguard, it looks like. He's our friend that we just have met over the last couple weeks here, and he's so nice. Making him feel a little better. Alright.
Go have fun, Mom.
I came and put Bubba's down, and now Mommy and Sissy are gonna go play in the tide pools and look for sea glass. Ooh. Look at her. Go, girl. Go jump in. I'm gonna get in. That feels so nice. Look at this. It's all reef out here. Look at this deep spot right here. Go check it out. Here comes a big wave!
A light fire, Mom.
Oh, much farther? You're wild, girl. I'm following you. You lead the way. You gotta go this way if you want to be deeper.
You'll be wild. You'll deeper.
Go wild, girl. Oh, there's Daddy. Daddy came out here to see it. So funny. I said I wanted to find some small blues today to pick a little stone for my ring, and I've found so many tiny blues, which are going to be perfect for my wedding ring that we're going to make for me to wear while we're traveling. And I'm so excited. I think this could definitely be one of the stones. Just wait till you see it, girl. It's beautiful. Now that is definitely in the running for my travel wedding ring. Look at that blue, baby.
Blue.
Oh, hi. Oh my goodness.
I just found it.
Wow. That's amazing. Great job. Do you want me to save it for you? Hitting the absolute jackpot on tiny little blue stones. Oh my God, you guys. I just found my first marble, I think, or circle, perfect circle, I think, and it's blue. Araya, I just found my first marble. Oh my God, I just found my first marble. Let's watch this thing come to life. Oh my goodness, I could cry. I have never found a marble. I see this on my sea glass page all the time, and I'm like, why have I never found one? It's perfect, and it's blue.
Mama, Mommy.
What do you think?
Yellow.
What do you think about it?
It's blue and yellow.
I know. That's like two of Daddy's favorite colors. Can I hold it?
No,
I know, but you just dropped it, and I really don't want you to break it. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to go tell Dad. found? Good find, girl. Look what Mommy just found. I love this color. Mariah just found a green, and I just found like a, it's kind of a green. Look, I just found my first marble.
Yeah, oh, good.
Isn't that cool?
Yes, cool.
Hi, Bubba. I found something really cool. My first of something. I want to share it with you.
See ya.
Are you ready? My first sea glass marble. Tell me that's not cool. Never found one.
Nice.
When you put it in the water, look what it looks like. You can see the yellow in it. How
Wow.
sick is that? Oh, hi. Are you tired, Raya? You look tired. No, he's not tired. He took a nap while me and you played in the tide pools.
Keep finding the reef. Never done it before in my life. Now all of a sudden I'm doing it all the time.
We see them carrying the bundles of sawgrass right by our house. It's so cool. I don't really know what they're doing with it.
All right, guys, we're gonna wrap up today's video. Mama was gonna cook us some dinner and show it off to you guys, but she is not feeling good, and Bubba is not either. So they're relaxing in bed. Mama's belly's hurting, and Bubba's actually running like 102 fever. So we're really not sure what's going on. Hopefully they'll feel better tomorrow so we can get back to having a good time. Hope you guys like the video, like and subscribe. You.